Welcome back to Math with Mel. In our first video, we tackled questions 1 through 5 and learned some effective ways to save time and avoid careless mistakes using the Desmos Graphing Calculator. In today's video, we're leveling up and working on questions 6 through 10, and I'll show you even more strategies to work faster, stay precise, and tackle each problem with confidence. Let's get started. Question number 6. Which of the following matrices is equal to 5 times the matrix that's -4, 2, 0, -5? This is scalar multiplication. To do this, we multiply each 4 of these parts inside the matrix by 5. 5 times -4 is -20. 5 times 2 is 10. 0 times 5 is 0. And 5 times -5 is -25. If I look at my 4 answer choices, option D. Question number 7. Levon purchased some tickets and snack vouchers for an upcoming event and gave them to the members of her work group. Each member in the work group received the same number of tickets and the same number of snack vouchers. The total number of tickets she gave to her group was 30. So total number of tickets is 30. And the total number of snack vouchers was 75. Which of the following could be the number of members in Levon's work group? Desmos has a greatest common factor tool that we can use to find this answer quickly. Let's go check it out. I'm over here on the Desmos Graphing Calculator. We're looking for the greatest common factor of 30 and 75 for those vouchers. So I'm going to type GCF for greatest common factor, parenthesis, 30, and then a 75. And it gives me my answer of 15. Question number 8. The initial speed in miles per hour of a certain car that skids to a stop can be estimated by multiplying the length of the skid in feet by 35, then taking the square root of the product. According to this method, what is the estimated initial speed in miles per hour of the car when it makes a 108-foot skid? To solve this problem, we need to know that a certain car that skids to a stop can be estimated by multiplying the length of the skid in feet by 35. So the length of the skid is 108. We're going to multiply that by 35. And then take the square root of the product, meaning the multiplication of these two numbers. Now, I might not know how to simplify radicals or want to take the time to do that, so I'm going to go to Desmos to help find which one of these answers matches with this. Let's go there now. So I'm going to type what I had on the previous slide. That's the square root. The shortcut for that is SQRT of 108 times 35. And I want to look at my answer choices to see which ones give me this value here, this 61.48 number. Option A says square root of 143. That doesn't match it. So I'm going to try my second answer choice, 7 times SQRT for square root, 105. That's too high. Answer choice C is 6 times SQRT, square root of 105. And that matches. So this one's answer choice C. Question number 9. If 6y equals 5x minus 1, then x equals what? I'm just going to quick rewrite this. 6y equals 5x minus 1. And realize that I need to get x by itself. To do this, I'm going to use the order of operations in a backwards fashion. Order of operations are parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, whichever comes first, addition or subtraction, whichever comes first. And I'm going to go in this direction because I'm solving for x. I look for any addition or subtraction. There's a subtraction of 1, so I'm going to add 1 to both sides to get it over to the other side. 6y plus 1 equals 5x. What undoes this multiplication? That's my last step, division of 5. I look to my answer choices. I see that this one matches answer choice D. Question number 10. A boat is traveling at a speed of 30 miles per hour. What is the boat's speed in feet per second? Note, that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. To start, I like to write what my goal is. We want to start with miles per hour, and we want to get to feet per second. So I'm going to start with the fact that I was given 30 miles in 1 hour. I'm going to change miles to feet first. So I was given right here that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. So I'm going to put this on the bottom, that 1 mile is equivalent to 5,280 feet. I'm going to do it in this sort of a fraction because miles divided by miles will cancel. Now I have feet, which is my goal. So I'm done converting the length. Now I'm going to convert hours to seconds. I know that in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. I put it like this because hours will cancel with hours. I'm not there yet. I need minutes getting to seconds. So I'm going to multiply by knowing that there's 1 minute for every 60 seconds. So I'm going to cancel minutes with minutes and come to Desmos. I'm going to multiply 30 times 5,280 on top. And then on the bottom, I'm going to do 60 times 60, which is 3,600. And I'm just going to divide that out in my graphing calculator. When I do that, I get answer choice C, 44. Nice work getting through questions 6 through 10. If this video made you feel more confident, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next part of the series. We'll keep building up your math skills step by step, one problem at a time. See you on the next video.